Hey guys, my name's Chad, I'm your Tall Tailor, and before I start this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been liking my stuff, commenting, subscribing, DMing me stuff that I should make, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. I'm trying to post more content on this page, on my Instagram, at the Tall Tailor. It's in the description as well. So today we're going to be making a tote bag, but not just a regular tote bag. We're going to be making a reversible tote bag out of a jacket. Just a little bit of background. My friend had this jacket. It was a reversible jacket, so I thought, you know what? Why don't I make a reversible tote bag instead? But that's enough of that. Let's get to sewing. Alright, so I'm done taking pictures of the sweatshirt. That's one side. The other side's in here. And now I'm going to chop it up and turn it into a tote bag. And boom, we're done. One layer taken off from the other layer. I'm gonna make these into bags. Okay, so I want this tote bag to be 17 inches squared, plus the ½ inch on each side for seam allowance, so it's gonna be 18 by 18. I'm gonna take my tailor's chalk right here, and I'm gonna go draw out a nice square and do the same thing for the black. Okay, that's one down. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little yellow square there. I'm gonna go chop that off, make another one of these, then do the same thing on the black. Yo, I broke my damn chalk. So I had to chop up the black one. The windbreaker isn't big enough to make two panels, so I have one panel underneath here. It's gonna be a regular square, and then I have this one I'm gonna put a white stripe on it because that looks kind of cool. Just gonna be a white stripe. I'm gonna take these two pieces of the sleeve and make the rest of the square. And I have the same thing here with the gray. I made sure for the black and the gray to keep the Fila logos because obviously that's sick. Gotta keep that on there, and I'm gonna stitch these two together, make a square, and then put the bags together. Alright, so one side of the bag is complete. This is a black one. I put a white stripe here with the zipper from the jacket across it. It's like a little pouch on the side of the tote bag. All I gotta do is do the same thing for the gray bag, and then put on the inside and flip the whole thing. And that's straps, all that good stuff. Alright, so boom, that's done. That's the gray one, and I have the black one right here. Time to stitch these two together, add some straps, and be done. Oh yeah, and I added this little pocket, two pockets actually, this little Fila tag. I used the Fila tag on the sweater, the last one, just put on the pocket here, so it looks kind of dope. And we are finished. I'm super happy how this turned out. It's actually leagues better than the jacket in my opinion. It has two sides. Obviously it's reversible. We got a fleece side and we have a black side. For the fleece side, you see a nice Fila logo on one side, and on the other side here, I took the Fila logo from the back of the jacket, just stuck it there, you know, branding, it's important. And it has two pockets here. And now let's see the other side of the bag. Alright, so I flipped and dipped it to the other side. It has a nice white stripe around the center of the bag. It's reminiscent of the jacket. The jacket had that. It has this big zipper, big enough to hold, like, I don't know, a couple books. I know you hold in tote bags. Like, nothing comes to mind right now, but you know, just regular tote bag stuff. Nice Fila logo here. This is one side, and the other side is just black. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this bag, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like down there, share with your friends. Yeah, if you want to see more of this bag, make sure to check my Instagram at the Tall Tailor. All my social media is linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, thank you for all the support as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Holy, this bag is so sick.